The prosecution's star witness turned hostile witness in the corruption trial of Datuk Seri Dr. Ahmad Zahid Hamidi was the downfall of the case built against him, the High Court heard.
Lead counsel Haisiem Te Po Take, who represented the UMNO president, shone the spotlight on the 36th prosecution witness, Junaith Ashraf Mud Sharif whose testimonies were crucial to 3 out of the 47 charges faced by the accused.
If the court rejects the witness evidence altogether, all the 3 charges, charges 11, 12 and 13 collapses as they are anchored on the evidence of SP36, he told the judge here on Wednesday.
Haisiem was submitting to the court in respect of the 11th, 12th and 13th charges faced by Ahmad Zahid at the end of the prosecution's case.
The Bagan Datuk MP faced 47 charges, 12 for criminal breach of trust, 8 for corruption and 27 for money laundering, involving tens of millions of ringgit belonging to Yayasan Akalbudi.
According to Haisiem, SP36 had contradicted himself during cross-examination.
On one hand, in his written statement, he said the accused promised to give him Maiji projects after the 14th general election and the accused asked him to submit his proposals.
When being cross-examined, SP36 maintained what he said in his written statement on these aspects were not true.
There is thus a serious conflict of evidence, Haisiem said.
The lawyer said this had compromised the credibility of the witness.
The benefit of the doubt must tilt in favor of the defense, he added.
The prosecution consequently applied for their own witness to be treated as a hostile witness, but Haisiem called the court to accept 2 aspects from SP36 evidence which he said remain credible.
The 2 aspects are SP36 a testimony that Rm 250,000 was a loan to the accused's younger brother, Datuk Seri Muhammad Nasai Ahmad Tarmizi, and that a sum of Rm 13 mil was SP36 a donation to the construction of a mosque in Tafaz in Bagan Datuk.
Haisiem said the 2 aspects were testified by SP36 in examination in chief and reiterated in cross-examination.
The lawyer submitted that there were 2 ways for the court to treat the evidence of a hostile witness. The court could reject the whole evidence or accept parts of the evidence that could be corroborated upon.
The hearing continues before Justice Colin Lawrence Sakira on Monday.